Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Splendid space here. You're joining me for a nature walk. We are going to be vaping today. I've been kind of trying to do that lately, but I mean, it's not like I've also not stopped smoking, but I've also been trying to save all my weed. And yeah. So you're probably wondering, where has she been? Where has she been? Kodak, do you want to go back in the woods? So, the reason why we're never gonna see it, I don't think, on camera. The other day it was cold. You could totally see it. As you can see, it's very spring here. So alive. Anyways, I've been working and I also have filmed 2 different videos, but they didn't get posted because I guess it was too sunny that day. Like, this one was really cool. It was like over a river, stream, I guess, not a river, a creek, with there let's go this way. So it was over a creek and I sat on a log that had fallen over it, but when I tried to get it onto my computer, the file was corrupt. There we go. I think because it was too sunny that day, the lens and absorbing of the light, I really do need a UV lens. There's quite a few things I need to invest in, camera-wise and video-wise, which I don't really have money to afford right now, so. Godric's up there. And yeah. So those didn't work and I was really disappointed. It's like, oh, I'm talking all to the camera. I was talking to no one. But that's okay. Had a sesh in nature, and those are always nice. And it's like relieving and stuff to get things out and off your mind, but it sucks that I couldn't actually share that with you guys and talk to you, but anyways, I'm making this all a video together so that I can post it directly to YouTube from my phone so that you guys can see it all today. Since I haven't posted in a while, I felt sad, especially with that last one being all windy. And then the last one I filmed, it wasn't corrupted. there was no wind. It was nice. It was in nature. And God, you likes to just like go through water. Which is good in the springtime because everything isn't like disgusting, but as we get through to the summer and it actually becomes warm, the water becomes pretty gross. Now I know what hand is weed rolled means, but it hurts her arm to hold the phone. When I have my camera, it's not so bad because I have like the tripod and I just hold it and it's kind of like a selfie stick, but Pinky's up while vaping. I don't know what else to say. I think this is probably long enough. Thank you all for joining me. I'm gonna try and get new videos up soon. But kind of have to do something fun maybe. I might be road tripping to New York State, so that'll be exciting. Meeting one of my friends. I'm going to a fairy fest. So stay tuned for that. Thank you all for joining me, and I hope you have a lovely, lovely week. Love you all. Peace and love.